everyone, welcome again to Mhelbeth's table. Today I will show you this very special recipe, especially New Year's is fast approaching, and of course there's a lot of holidays coming in, and this recipe should be on your table every time you have a very special occasion. Alright guys, this is the chicken hamonado. You know that chicken hamonado is so special for us Filipinos, and also I want to introduce this recipe to all my subscribers. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. Okay guys, first we have to do is I have a 1.5 kilogram of whole chicken. Okay, I wash it and I wipe it dry with paper towel. Then we will marinate this with some salt, maybe about 2 teaspoons of salt. Okay, we'll just rub it all over the chicken. So we'll put about 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. Have a 1 piece of onion, just the small one, like this. The yellow onion, I just cut it into 4. And I'm gonna put it inside the chicken. Okay, then I have 3 like 2 inches of lemongrass, but I cut it into 3 pieces, so I'm gonna put it inside the chicken as well. Okay, like next is I have this string. I just make it, tie it properly. So, what I do is, lang natin sa likod yung kanyang wings. Like this. Pasok natin yan. Then, we'll put that one there, like that. Then, we're gonna turn it over to get the legs. Okay? Yun. Then, put the legs on like that. So, magiging ganyan yung ating chicken. Okay? Para lang ma-hold niya yung paa at hindi siya bubukaka. Okay. And the wings as well. Right? So, it's at the back like that. My hold, then, you're gonna get papasok dito. Tapos, hahawakan yung dalawang paa niya so that hindi siya it will not be open up. Okay, next one is alright, so I marinated that with salt and pepper. Now I have a Tupperware here. I'm gonna put in my marinade and use Ziploc, guys. Alright, so I'll put in my chicken inside. I just want that my chicken is marinated very well. And also, I'm gonna put in the pineapple juice. And I have here 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Okay. And also, half a cup of brown sugar. And 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I'll just use my hands, okay? Anyway, I have the gloves. And also half of onion and 6 cloves of garlic that I mince it. So I'm gonna mix it up all together to marinate the chicken. I need to put back the onion inside to my baking tray. Okay, like this. So we will put this into the oven. Okay guys, for our basting, I have about 2 tablespoons of banana ketchup. Then I'll add in olive oil. maybe about 2 tablespoons also. Then mix it up all together. There you go. We will use this to baste our chicken later on, okay? Maybe about 1 hour. Here is our chicken. We have to baste. I'm gonna put it out for a bit. Okay, and let's put it back into the oven. Alright guys, we have to turn it over. I put some foil because I don't want to burn it like very burnt. So we have to turn it. There. Okay. And I just have to do my basting. Alright, then let's put it back into the oven. Alright guys, while waiting for our chicken to be baked, we have to make our sauce. So here is the marinade sauce that we use for the chicken. I'll just pour it into the pan and we will simmer this. Alright guys, let's check our sauce. It's already thickened a little bit. Look at this. So this is good enough. Now I'll be using fresh and canned pineapple because some of my pineapple I juice it, put it on the marinade. Okay, so I just use the pineapple chunks, okay, in the can one, and then some of my fresh pineapples. I'll just mix it up with my sauce and let it simmer. Alright guys, here it is. It's so good now. My sauce is already thickened, but I want it a little bit more thicker. That's why I make some cornstarch water, okay? Just a tablespoon and a tablespoon of water as well. So I'll just pour into the sauce and just check with the right consistency that you want. Okay guys, this is good enough, just like this. So we will set this aside and let's wait for our chicken to be cooked. Alright, let's now make our presentation. This is our sauce with the pineapple chunks. I'll just put it at the bottom. There you go. It's done. Look at this. So I will transfer this into this serving dish. Alright guys, here it is, our chicken hamonado. Alright, to all my subscribers, thank you so much, and if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be updated every time I will post a video on my channel. Alright guys, till next time again.